Hello, guys. It's Ella for another vlog. It's not musically today because I'm so upset. We had to go to school so early, like at 7, because our MCAP starts at 8. So this is gonna be a vlog about birds. So I have in front of you. I'm going to show you our birds. First, I'm going to go backwards because I don't want you to see the birds first. So I'm going to go to the birds. We have 2 birds. We also actually have a nest on our roof with some birds because I don't know how they inserted their body like under our roof, because it has like really low top. So I guess they're little babies and there's eggs there. Oh my gosh. So you're gonna be so happy for this. So let's get looking onto the birds. Ta-da! So here are our birds. I'm gonna name them. This is gonna be Haley. No, this is going to be Blitz. This is going to be, I'm not sure if these 2 are girls or boys, or they're a girl and a boy, but I'm just gonna name them first. Oh, see, look, they want to get in the video. So they have some water. Oh my gosh, did you see that? He or she just drank. He or she drank another time. This little birdie right here is Blitz. That is Glitter. That is Glitter. This is Blitz. I don't really know if they are girls or boys yet. She is going to eat. I think so, because she is stepping on the thing. I don't know what she's gonna do, but she's going to do something. Oh my gosh. So that is their little cage. That is actually our old cage, but I think my dad is coming, so because it's almost 12 and it's almost going to be like, seriously, we're eating. I think my dad just went out for it. So you can get the food out if you do this. If you do something like this. Oops. I almost got food. Like seriously, out position. This one is the water and it is hard to get it out. And there's a little wood stick in the middle and another stick there. They just cut it off the end because maybe they'll get wound from them. So now the boy or girl brown bird is actually over here. And the white one is over here. I can let them out if I want, but I don't want to set them free. We will just take care of them. There's some poop and pee there, so yeah. I have a lot of wasted food. You can see the boy, he has like standing feathers in a moment ago. Oh, she just drank. I don't think it's a she or he yet because I'm not really sure. There's a couple of leaves there, but I don't really know. I'm gonna ask my dad, so let's go downstairs. I'm gonna go back out. Daddy? Daddy?
Oh.
Are the 2 birds girls or boys?
Boy and girl.
So I was correct for the 3rd time I said boy and girl because it's obvious. Is the girl the white one? He's not gonna answer me. but I'm sure that the white one is actually a girl. So I'm gonna name her Blitz. And the boy one, I'm gonna name this one Blitz because it's a girl. This one is going to be Richard. This is going to be Richard. You can see his face. This is his husband. I mean his wife. This is Blitz, his wife. This is Richard, the boy bird. I don't see any food for the birds to. We also have a bird bath right over there. That. So, sorry guys about my scary face. So, camera, focus on me. So, there we go. And we have some dumbbells here. I actually get dumbbells like these ones. Ow, oh gosh, ow! Oh, this is a stupid dumbbell. I don't like the other one because it keeps rolling and stuff. Rolling. This is the dumbbell that I'm talking about. You can see that. See that right there? Now that is a muscle. So, I'm going to exercise here for a little bit. I'm going to actually give you a tour around. This is where we do our laundry and stuff, and some cleaning things here. A little stool, a fan, a basket filled with clips, little cleaner right there. This is a little stand that is hanging on the wall. And these are the speakers that we have. A little chair, a little bucket, our dryer and our washing machine right there. A little basin, a big basin, some paint. My mom's little bicycle that is not working at all. Well, it's working, but it's for exercise. Our birds, the plants up to there. A bunch more stuff over here. A big, huge bucket. Some slippers, some of those, a bunch of things. These are my dad's dumbbells. These are my dumbbells. 3 lbs. Some chairs. Wait, Daddy! Daddy. Why aren't you just humming or something else? This scared of me. Seriously. Another chair right there. I'm gonna put this down. This is my bedroom. This is going to be my bedroom. I have a bunch of books, a lot of stuff, a mess. Our lamp, a little bank there, a bunch of drawers, a lot of stuff there. My bags, little box, some clothes, the ironing board and the iron. A chair filled with a pillow, some things to cover the pillows, some blankets, and some rugs, and my coat, and 3 boxes there, another box, an umbrella, my doll, a picture from Jesus, our thing, I don't know what it's called. This is to my auntie, a little handkerchief, some cardboards. What is this? Oh, this is my board. Oh, it's not actually a board, but that's fine. Little mattress right there. X-rays. So let's see my mom's x-rays. These are the different x-rays that my mom got. Let's see. Sorry guys if the x-rays are a little bit noisy. Those are the x-rays. This is our radio right there that I helped my dad fix. And yeah, that's all for my bedroom. They're so scared of me. Their hum is actually reaching down in our lower level where we get our TVs and stuff. And a bunch more stuff under that. This is actually, oh gosh. Oh, I thought there was a tray down here, but no. Ugh. I hate this. And I've got a lot of stuff. I didn't even know that I had a lot of stuff in my whole life. Seriously. So, this is a bird vlog. Yeah, that's the biggest tree I've ever seen. So, yeah. So please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what is your favorite. What is going to be your name for your birds or for your pets? What is your favorite animal and what would you name them? And when are they going to have their birthday? Put another one there. I'm coming, Dad! So, these two birds had their birthday yesterday, so they turned, for their look, I would say 2 years old. Yeah, that's the correct age for them. Because they've been here in the world for a couple of months. Here in our house, a couple of months. Yeah. Their birthday is yesterday, which is July 29. And yeah, see you guys next time. Please subscribe, give a big thumbs up, like this video, and comment down below what is your favorite pet, what would you name them, and when did you get them for their birthday? When, not what. When did you get them? What date did you get them? What date did you get them on? So, that is going to be their birthday of when you got them. And also, tell the age of your pet. So, yeah, and we have to eat. So, wait guys. So, it's been 14 minutes. So, I guess that's all for today. So, bye. See you later. Bye, guys.